Welcome. This is how to connect a Razer Barracuda to your iPhone. So guys, the first thing that you must understand, first make sure you turn on your Razer Barracuda and the Bluetooth is turned on. And now once you have turned the Bluetooth on that, you can just simply go to your phone over here and just simply go to the settings into your device. Now, here on the settings, guys, you could just simply go for the Bluetooth over here down below, as you can see. And now make sure to turn on the Bluetooth on your device. And once both devices have turned on Bluetooth, you should be able to see your Razer Barracuda over here. And you can just simply tap on it in order for it to be connected to your iPhone. And after that, you should be able to see connected options over here. And when you select the eye icon, you should be able to disconnect it over here and forgot the device as well. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.